I wanted to make clothes for people in the streets. Fids and I always tried to bring prices down, 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 said the founder of Biba. Today, let's go into Fashion and Textile Museum, London and have a close encounter with Biba. The 1950s was an era of conformity. The 50s woman epitomized perfection. Stepford wives in pastels, pearls, petticoats. But as the decade was coming to an end, the stifling stiffness of the 50s was about to be swept away by the winds of freedom. A new demographic emerged, the teenager, who craved high-end fashion of André Courrèges in Paris and Mary Quant in London, however, could not afford expensive clothes. Enter Barbara Hulanicki and her partner, Stephen Fitzsimon, who were quick to detect the gap in the market. In 1964, Hulanicki and Fitzsimon launched Biba. Their first hit, a pink gingham dress. It wasn't just a dress. It was a dress that sold 17,000 units. With no mills, no manufacturers and a fabric that was far from the original, Biba managed to sell thousands of dresses by simply changing the color from pink to coral red to blue. An early lesson in upselling. Biba was the pioneer of fast fashion, fashion for the masses. But this was fast fashion with a difference. Fashion garments locally made, well constructed from locally sourced fabrics. From a tiny boutique in Kensington, Biba grew into Big Biba, a retail mecca 20 times the size of the original store, 18,500 meters in floor space, rivaling Harrods. Biba wasn't just a store. It was a lifestyle experience with its vintage furniture, low lighting and feathered hat stands. Biba was about everything, From men's and women's clothing to kids' wear, jewelry, cushions, carpets, paint, wallpaper, crockery, and even food. It was a store for the young, with late opening hours, communal changing rooms, and no pressure whatsoever to buy. Biba had a top floor restaurant with live penguins and flamingos, making it the rock glam hotspot for the likes of Mick Jagger and David Bowie. Biba pulled in more tourists than Buckingham Palace, soon becoming the epicenter of London's fashion scene. But behind the glamour, Biba was struggling. Operating as a sole trader, the pressure was mounting. In a bid to stay afloat, Biba sold 75% of its stock to Dorothy Perkins and British Land. The ethos that made Biba so special was eroding, and in February 1975, Biba closed its doors. Barbara Hulanicki moved to Florida, where she continued her illustrious career, designing for Topshop, among others. In 2012, Barbara was awarded the Order of the British Empire, a testament to her lasting impact on British fashion and the fashion industry as a whole. Biba changed the way we shop, and Barbara Hulanicki's influence can be felt even today. Though Biba has seen several attempts at revival and is currently owned by the House of Fraser, it is the original Biba that remains etched in history. If you have enjoyed this vignette from Fashion History, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more stories that are lessons in fashion design, marketing and merchandising.